They are super busy here. Unbelievable. I bet you all the superchargers are taken. And they are. Ugh. So one of the things that I really hate most about this location is there's not a lot to, it's kind of a hassle to get to shops and everything, but there's like this whole new shopping center being built across the street. There's already been a pretty decent one, you know, about maybe 300 yards from here, maybe more than 300 yards, maybe 500 yards. And then right behind this location, there's this whole nother shopping center there. So there's like tons of places to eat. There's a lot of stuff to do over here now. And once they finish putting everything together across the street there, it's gonna be insane around here. There's gonna be a lot of traffic around here, especially, which I'm a little concerned with, but maybe they'll add some more stalls and people will be able to get in here and charge more. Who knows? I will say the backup camera makes it easier, but it is kind of a pain to get into these superchargers right now because they have so many Model 3s on the lot. Just a ton of Teslas in general. And they're just parking them everywhere they can get them. They'll be stacking them by next week.